Professor Mohammed Javeed Sahib, ex-principal of Ameen College, a highly acclaimed and loved mathematics teacher, is no more. He taught at Alpha Academy, Crescent College and Ameen College. He has touched many lives and each have their own share of experiences with him. Mr. Divakar, a retired HR personnel from HL area in Bengaluru, is a classmate of Professor Javeed since PUC days, and they forged a friendship which lasted 50 years. A curious admirer chatted with Javeed sir and his friend Mr. Divakar at a coffee shop on 50 years of their friendship, and Javeed sir said, "Faith shouldn't divide but rather unite each other. As per Quran verses, the guideline says your faith is to you as my faith is to me."
If you don't mind, I will take a small video. This is for the next generation. This is for the next generation to showcase how people live. You come from a different faith, he comes from a different faith, but the bonding that you have for more than 50 years, we chanced upon you at a coffee house. How it is? Okay. So with me is Professor Javeed Saab, was a known face in the Bangalore circles for teaching mathematics. Very, everybody knows him. His classes were so popular with Bangalore Academy and all that. He's here, and with us is his classmate from Sri Renukacharya College in 1970, Mr. Divakar, who retired as a HR in HL. Both have been friends for more than 50 years. We chanced upon them, and then during the discussion, they spoke about how they come from different communities, but still they are like family to each other. They know each other well. They participate, help each other, and even today we chanced upon them at a coffee house. So, thank you, and may such stories be the inspiration for the youth and the others of things, for all the people who are polarizing society. You people are an example. And if you would like to say something, please say, we will record
Okay. So I would like to say that the faith should not divide, faith should unite. So therefore Allah in Quran has said, "Lakum dinukum waliya din." Means your faith is to you, my faith is to me. Taking that as a guideline, let us live together and prosper ourselves, prosper our families, and let the nation overall prosper and India become a world to reckon with. Thank you very much. I thank Tanveer Saab for having taken this initiative. May God bless him. I have my old student, Mr. Javeed. I pray to Allah to give him best of the things in life. This is a very rare moment of our lives. Thank you very much.
And Mr. Divakar said they catch up with Javeed sir every weekend.
Well, that's why I came to see. Weekly once I used to meet him without friend. Sorry sir, that's all I can't speak.
But you know each other for
50
plus years.
50 years.
And there has been good
His
bond.
father used to call me, I am his elder son. My father used to say he is younger son. Like that attachment family.
Today, when hundreds of people said their final goodbyes with funeral prayers, spectators watched Mr. Divakar with a tilak on his forehead, going through with all the funeral and final rites and cry. As he was met by common acquaintances like Professor Kaiser, a colleague, made the following remark about Mr. Divakar and Dr. Javeed's younger brother. He may be his blood brother, but you are the original brother. Real life stories like this do exist, and such friendship sees no boundaries or barriers. May the Almighty grant Professor Javeed a heavenly home, and may Mr. Divakar be blessed with strength to bear his loss.